Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you tired of those extra pounds creeping up on you like an unexpected party you didn't even plan for? Well, let's talk about how to kick them to the curb in a way that actually feels fun and simple. Here's the deal. Losing weight isn't about starving yourself or running miles every single day like you're training for a marathon. That's not it. It's about making small, smart choices. For example, swap that bag of chips for an apple. Yes, I said it. An apple! And guess what? You might actually find it tastes better than you think. You've probably heard this one a million times, but it's true. Drink more water. Your body is like a plant, and water is basically your sunlight. Drink enough, and you'll start to feel better, look better, and hey, you might even be the life of the party. By the way, if you're loving this content, and who wouldn't, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You'll be helping our channel grow, and trust me, it's way more fun than counting calories. Plus, you get to be part of the cool club. Now, here's the fun part. Move your body, but don't think of it like a workout. Think of it like playtime. Dance around while you're cleaning the house, take the stairs instead of the elevator, or walk to the store instead of driving. Keep it light, keep it fun. And hey, don't stress about being perfect. It's totally okay to have that slice of pizza now and then. You're human, right? Just remember, it's part of the journey, not the destination. So, there you go. Simple, easy steps to losing weight without feeling like you're climbing a mountain. One step at a time, you've got this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more.